Greetings, welcome to a brand new radio station. No, make that two brand new radio stations that we're creating here in Lincoln, Magna and Magna Mix. Now, we're in Magna's studios. Now, these were a previous life BBC video editing suite, and the soundproofing in here is absolutely phenomenal. Really is. We've taken a few of the sound panels off the wall, as you can see just down the side there, and down the side over there as well, because they're going to get recovered with fabric, with the colours of Magna and Magna Mix. Magna Mix is actually going to be the studio next door. It's yet to be built. It's just like a window at the moment, but these studios are absolutely phenomenal. So what I thought I'd do is just track the progress of this with videos, and so you can see the creation of two radio stations as we vlog this on this channel. So I'm just zooming out at the moment. So this is the basic shell that we have here. We're leaving the majority of all of this here. We're getting a turnkey studio built in here. It's just being built off site at the moment, but as you can see, this is where it's going to be over here. With our back to the wall, there's going to be a screen on there, and also there's going to be a really nice logo section just over here as well. So looking forward to it. Today is Thursday the 5th, 6th, is it the 8th? It's the 8th of January. You lose track of days really in this malarkey, but we're looking forward to this being a brand new fully fledged commercial radio station for Lincolnshire and the East Midlands. Back in the studio, as you can see, there's a lot of different things happening. Studio and mixing desk arriving today. They're going to be installed during this week. I'm actually off to the States this week, so I can't see the majority of this happening, but you can see the big TVs already on the screen there. Some nice blue colouring has been added to the studio sides there. It's all looking good. Update, desk has just arrived. It's just so exciting. I love this kind of stuff, really do. So here is the desk, and it's slightly facing the doorway here, which is just over there. There's a chair. Desk is going to go inside there, split desk. That will all light up around the side. We've got our screen behind, and then getting cameraed up. So camera's going to go in the top corner over there, one over there as well, which will match perfectly. So if your camera's over here, you're going to be dead center there with the screen, which is superb. Hello, it's launch day, and it's early, but the early bird catches the worm, and the early bird launches a radio station. So you've not actually seen the full scale of the radio station yet, so I'm going to show you that the moment we get there, but until then, just got to get there. Am I nervous? Yeah, absolutely. I am bricking it. That's all part of the nerves, isn't it? All part of the butterflies. And here we are then. You've not seen it like this, and this is launch day. This is our reception area and office. You can see the wonderful lighting on the side of the wall there, and the decor is just fantastic. This looks like a cracking office, it really is. All the mod cons, we've got the server just in the background there. We've got all the presenters on standby. There's Stuart. There you go. Rob, John. There you go. So we're going to take you through down this side. Most important part of a radio station is the coffee machine. Don't know how it's working at the moment, so we'll try and work that one out. There's Tom. We've not met Tom yet. There's Tom. Hi, Tom.
Hello.
So here we go into Studio 1. This is our studio. We're going to go on air this morning at 9 a.m. Say hello to all the fans of Radio Gaga.
Who are you? Security.
So this is, I'll show you the front view. The front view, there we go. So we got the advertising wall on the back there that stipulates who's on air. So when Mark's on air, that says Mark Dennison in the morning, and then there's John Marshall, and then so on and so on. This is the desk. It's an AEQ Forum IP desk. It's a split desk there. We're using Myriad for our playout system, and then on here we've got our phone system, which I think we're just resetting at the moment. Can I bring that back on? No, it's probably off at the moment, because we're just fiddling around with the back, but that's where our phone systems are. So yeah, we're getting set up with our camera work, ready for 9 a.m. when we go live. We are at 8:23 at the moment, and we're ready to rock and roll. So this is the launch sequence. We're going at 54. There's no going back.
There's no going back now.
Did you push it?
Yeah.
Push it again. There we go. Didn't push it hard enough.
Cracking start.
And that's it.
2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
The launch sequence is ready. Mark Dennison's there. He's giving the first voice, official voice on Magna Radio.
Technical difficulties, please stand by.
No pressure, Mark.
Precious for tyres.
Testing transmitter output. Adjusting audio playback. Identifying frequency. Audio stream loading. Connection complete. Magna Radio initializing. Mark Dennison, please wait.
I'm waiting.
Welcome to Magna.
T-minus 10 seconds.
Coming up, John Marshall, Chris Marston,
Yeah!
Joe and Sparky, Trevor Hill, Stuart Cooling, Adam Whale, Dave Kelly, your brand new local station. Love music. We are Magna, the soundtrack to Lincolnshire and the East Midlands. Made right here. Mark Dennison, go. This is Magna.
Well, hello. Good morning. It's 9 a.m. on Sunday, February the 8th, 2026, and this is the sound of a brand new radio station for Lincolnshire and the East Midlands. Welcome to Magna Radio! I am delighted to welcome you to Magna. For a little while now, local radio has been somewhat neglected. Today and right now, that changes. So you're going to be hearing from some familiar voices and great music. We are passionate about where you are because it's where we are. Today you're going to meet the team and get a sense of what Magna is all about. First things first. What's the first song that Magna Radio is going to play? Fancy a bit of Coldplay?